Hey there, I'm Vernon Brown, and today I'm going to be sharing some great information for you about this amazing laundry detergent. Make sure you stay to the end because I got some crucial information I want to share with you. And again, my name is Vernon Brown. I am a father, I'm an entrepreneur, but most importantly, I am a human that needs to get their clothes washed. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure you have the same exact needs and concerns that I have, and maybe a few others. And I'm hoping, and I created this video trying to answer those questions to let you know what my thoughts or opinion about when I've been using a Truly Free home laundry detergent. The first thing I do want to share with you is you want to make sure you're taking caution and being careful of where you purchase laundry detergent from. You always want to make sure you purchase from the official website, which you can find in the description right above. You can click that link and you can learn some more about the product. You can purchase the product because that's exactly what I purchase it. The big thing we're trying to do is disrupt dishonest business practices, and that's exactly why you want to order again from the official website. But let's get right into why I wanted to buy this, how it's been working out for me, and quite honestly, like the ease of difficulty, and has it been really effective. One thing that really caught my eye about this Truly Free home laundry detergent is kind of the origin story. It really took hold during the times of inflation, and they were trying to decrease the amount of harmful chemicals because that's what we're doing, trying to find natural cleaners, trying to find things in our household that if we spill it on the floor, if we have pets, if you have those things that you want to keep alive, that they're not going to have any issues because of the chemicals. But this was also created to fight inflation, which really surprised me, and you're going to understand why in just a second because I'm about to talk to you about that. I think the thing that really got me, they do have a cool origin story, but with harmful chemicals, my son has eczema, we have allergy issues, and respiratory issues. We have so many different things going on, and the last thing you want to do is put the harmful chemicals around because you never know how you're going to react. And I've already seen how my family members have reacted to these things. So it's let's be safe than sorry, and that's why I wanted to purchase a product like this. And if you have any concerns like that, it only makes sense why you want to be more proactive than reactive. And you're also here because you probably identified a problem, but you're more focused on the solution because that's what smart people do. It's about looking at the solution to that. And what I love about this is the research that went into this, which made me feel even more comfortable about the purchase. What the creators of this product, they figured out a way that they came up with a harmless one that does cleaning with uses minimal waste, but also is great for the environment. What I love about this is the research that went into it. They wanted to create a natural toxin-free formula that had anti-germ qualities and antimicrobial qualities, but all while using a minimal amount of product. And that's literally what is in this bottle here, which is like phenomenal. And those toxic chemical, formulas that we're used to with other detergents, leading brands, I'm not getting into about those, but they started to irritate my skin. They started to irritate my son's skin as well. And I haven't had any issues with this. Yes, I'm diving right into the review because let's get into it. We want to see, does this stuff work? I love how it makes my skin feel. Most importantly, that I want to tell you all is I don't want overly fragrant detergents, but I do want them to smell good. This is actually one of the best scents in my personal opinion, and many, many others. If you go to their website, you'll see the reviews, but it is a very refreshing, this smells phenomenal scent. So you would be still right on target, getting the same cleaning power and also that same great smells you're looking for, but it's not overpowering. Most of the detergents are so focused on having that fresh smell and that really overpowering smell, it more masks the odor than actually taking the germs that cause the odor. And the Truly Free takes care of that completely. Diving right into, my thoughts on this is initially I was concerned about the really heavy perfume smells that you typically get from leading brands, and we don't need to get into the brands. And what is concerning about that is those truly mask the odor. They're not actually killing the germs or killing the bacteria that's causing that. And I was a little concerned about this when I initially purchased it, but that has not been an issue. It has a super, super light, but refreshing scent. And that's one thing I have to say that caught me off guard, because I'm thinking that, by the way, this uses 1 ounce. You only 1 ounce of this to do a load of laundry. But I was worried that it might have a too powerful of a scent, or it might overwhelm me, or quite honestly, maybe irritate my skin sometimes. And I mentioned that we have eczema in our house. Sometimes there's certain detergents that just don't sit too well with our skin. And, my son's at school saying I'm itchy and like different things. And we haven't had any issue with the fragrance, and we also haven't any issues with this bothering our skin, which is a big win for us. And as a side note, for the more technical side of things, I know we're parents, I know we're adults, and we want to make sure we reduce our bills. If you're using your washer and dryer at home, and if you have your washer and dryer, you want to take care of it, you always want to be careful with the lead-in detergents, because talking with different technicians and repairmen over the years, one of the leading causes, what is causing costly repairs, is using those ooey gooey detergents that were used in leading brands, which again was another concern that I had that I forgot to mention and it just came to me that I wanted to share with. Truly Free doesn't leave any residue behind like the leading brands, so that way you will be avoiding those costly repairs, which I really love as well. thinking about things down the line. So let's talk about the delivery system of this. Let's talk about how you kind of set this up so you can get those fresh scents and fresh smells. When you order it, you're going to get a container just like this, maybe a couple of containers, depending on which package you order. With the laundry, it's going to come with a container like this, and it's going to have some individual pouches for you. What you want to do is unscrew your top, and then what you're going to do is put up the pouch, pour the liquid in there, and fill it with some warm water, shake it up, and you're good to go. This makes it so simple to use, and considering it's also non-toxic, but now you don't have these giant bulky containers sitting around. To determine the amount of detergent you use, it's really simple. You just want to consider the size of the laundry load that you have, and also determine what type of washer that you have. For most laundry, it recommends it's gonna be 1 ounce. And when laundry's extra soiled, that's when you might have to use an additional ounce. But still, that's 2 ounces. And I can attest to you, our clothes smell amazing. In fact, this shirt that I'm wearing is actually washed with the Truly Free Detergent, and it's made all the difference for us because, again, doesn't take up a lot of space, smells great, is way more affordable, and on top of that, it's helping the environment. I'm not freaking making a house sick of toxins and chemicals. If you haven't figured it out, the Truly Free Laundry Wash Detergent is going to be a solid win for us. If you, and I would recommend it for yourself as well, if you're concerned about any of the health concerns, or you might have any looming health concerns, or quite honestly, you want to get ahead of any health concerns, it's a great purchase as well as does a great job. And we've tested this on my son's grass stained clothes. Yes, grass stained clothes are the real deal thing still. And it's gotten all the stains out, and they smell so good, even after those heavy gym sessions. So all my gym people out there, we have a solution. If you're not happy with the purchase, all you have to do is ask for a refund and you'll get your money back just like that. I do want to note that Truly Free is not responsible for any allergies, skin concerns, or any fading of your clothes, just like any other detergent that's out there. I made this video primarily because I wanted people to know there's an eco-friendly and a natural detergent out there that actually works, that smells good, and is safe for your family. But I also made this video to make sure that you are purchasing it from a reputable website versus going out there and risk losing your money. And you can learn more about that in the description right above if you have any questions. And if you have any questions and want to talk to me directly, feel free to drop a message in the comments. I'm always happy to help and to respond to let you know some good advice and some what's going to be the best advice for you, depending on your situation. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this review. I'm going to see you all next time.